Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is divine light. You are the lighthouse. You are the torch that's leading everyone out of their wildernesses into this new season, the season of blessing and manifestation. So shine, baby, shine. Don't let anything dim your glow, because this is your moment and you work too hard to become this light to stop now or to dim your glow. You need to show up, show out, and show your beautiful fire. I'm the expression of love and I shine like the sun. My inner light is my strength and my gift. My intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness of who I am and what I can truly do down here, which is wondrous things. There's so many eyes on you that you can't even imagine. But make sure you become your best version of yourself, because so many people are watching, strangers, family, friends, foes, and they're mimicking you. They're following you to safety. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.